I am Senior Airman Lloyd, and today we're going to be going over DCS. DCS is a web teleconferencing service that you can use to present slideshows and have conferences with other people. There are two ways to open up DCS. One is going to the Air Force portal and typing in DCS in the search bar, and then you will be loaded up with the link to it. I recommend opening up Google Chrome, as DCS has some loading issues with Internet Explorer, and then typing in the direct link, which is https://conference.apps.mil, and then hitting enter. It will then ask for your cert. Choose whichever cert you need to use to access it. You will then have to click accept. And then you'll be welcomed to this dashboard. Over here in the top left corner, you'll see conference. You want to click on that. And once you get to here, you'll see your current reservations that you've made. I currently have 2. And over here for public reservations will be everyone that someone's created that you can join there for training and any other kind of things. But to create a reservation, you'll go back to my reservations, and here at the top right, you'll see new reservation. Click on that. Once it loads up, you will name it whatever the title of your meeting is. And then for description, just a quick description of what your meeting's about. Down here, you'll see recording. This will record your whole meeting for if someone cannot join, they'll be able to see the recording of it and know what the meeting was about and what went on. Dial-in is a really cool feature to where people can use either a commercial line or a DSN line to dial in and then listen to the whole conversation. Meeting time, you can set a meeting time. You don't have to, you can just notify everyone ahead of time of when you're going to start it. And then visibility. For private, only people that you want to join will be able to join. You'll have to send them either the link or the number to call. But also when they do join, they will be having to wait for you to enable them to fully join into the conference. Public will make it to where anyone else can appear and see it and also be able to join. I'm going to make mine private. Once it is made, you will see right here is the web URL link that you will have to copy and paste and send it to whoever you want to join into it. And also down here will be the commercial line for people to call in on commercial phones, as well as the DSN line for people to call in as well. To start it, you will click on Start first, and then you will join now. Then this is the loading screen that on Internet Explorer it can error out a lot or just sit there and not load. Once in, this is the overlay of the conference. It'll ask you if you want to use microphone or listen only. If you're leading it, you will want to use microphone, that way you can speak so everyone can hear what you're presenting. Or if you're just running slides for someone and they're going to speak on your behalf, you can just click listen only. In the top left corner here is all the users that are attending the conference at the moment. And also if someone tries to join, if you have it on private, you'll get a notification up here to where you have to allow them to fully join into the conference. Down here will be the webcams that you have activated right now so you can see what's going on. On the right side will be a chat box for anyone that's in the meeting. If they're not using a microphone, they can just chat with or say what they have in there. And then this middle box is the presentation box, to where anything that you have uploaded with its slides or any other document, everyone will be able to see it from here. And in the bottom left here will be upload presentation. To upload something, you'll click on that. And then you will want to select file and go to wherever you have something. I created a little test slideshow to put in here. You can also select and enable download of presentation for anyone to download a soft copy of what you have up. And then once you are done, you will hit upload. And this can be really quick if it's a small document, but if it's pretty big, it can take a little bit of time. And then once it's fully uploaded, it'll be present right there. You can also flip through the slides right here. And that is, in a nutshell, DCS.